Have you ever felt that there's more to you than what you're currently experiencing? Have you noticed the number 111 appearing in moments when you're striving for growth and self-improvement? This isn't just a coincidence. Angel number 111 is a powerful sign from the universe, guiding you towards unlocking your full potential and embarking on a journey of profound personal development. Today, we'll explore how the energy of number 111 can elevate your self-improvement efforts, provide practical tips for learning new skills, nurturing your passions, and achieving your highest potential with the support of 111. The power of number 111 in personal development. Angel number 111 symbolizes new beginnings, manifestation, and alignment with your true self. When it comes to personal development, 111 serves as a beacon, indicating that you are ready to embrace change and grow into the best version of yourself. Seeing 111 is a reminder that your thoughts, intentions, and actions are powerful tools in shaping your personal growth journey. It's an invitation to harness the energy of 111 to set clear goals, cultivate positive habits, and pursue continuous self-improvement. How 111 influences self-improvement and personal growth. Angel number 111 acts as a catalyst for self-discovery and personal transformation. Here's how it can help you unlock your full potential. Heightened awareness and intuition. 111 enhances your intuitive abilities, making it easier to listen to your inner voice. Trusting your intuition can guide you towards the right paths and decisions that align with your true self. Positive affirmations for growth. The energy of 111 supports the use of positive affirmations to reinforce your goals and aspirations. By affirming your intentions, you attract the circumstances and opportunities that help you achieve personal growth. Alignment with your true self. 111 encourages you to align your actions with your authentic self. This alignment ensures that your personal development efforts are in harmony with your deepest values and passions, leading to a more fulfilling and meaningful life. Inspiring stories. Achieving full potential with 111. Many individuals have experienced significant transformations by embracing the energy of 111. Here are a few inspiring stories. Liam's journey to creativity. Liam kept seeing 111 when he felt stuck in his career. Inspired by the sign, he pursued his passion for painting. Today, he is a successful artist, creating works that inspire others and bring him immense joy. Ava's path to confidence. Ava struggled with self-doubt until she noticed 111 appearing during her moments of hesitation. This number motivated her to engage in personal development courses, boosting her confidence and leading her to a thriving career in public speaking. Ethan's transformation through education. Ethan saw 111 while contemplating further education. Taking it as a sign, he enrolled in a master's program that not only advanced his career but also deepened his understanding of himself and his aspirations. Practical tips for learning new skills and developing passions with 111. Harnessing the energy of 111 can guide you on a transformative journey towards self-improvement. Here are some practical tips to integrate this powerful number into your personal development path. Set clear personal goals. Define what you want to achieve in your personal development journey. Whether it's learning a new language, mastering a musical instrument, or developing leadership skills, clarity is essential. Write down your goals and visualize achieving them. Clear intentions will attract the right opportunities and resources. Incorporate positive affirmations. Use affirmations such as, "I am continuously growing and evolving," "I embrace new challenges with confidence," or "I am discovering my true potential." Repeat these affirmations daily to reinforce your commitment to personal growth and attract positive outcomes. Engage in continuous learning. Commit to lifelong learning by enrolling in courses, attending workshops, or reading books that align with your interests and goals. Embrace a growth mindset, viewing challenges as opportunities to expand your knowledge and skills. Nurture your passions. Dedicate time to activities that ignite your passion and creativity. Whether it's writing, painting, gardening, or coding, pursuing your interests fuels your personal development. Allow yourself to explore and experiment with different hobbies to discover what truly resonates with you. Practice mindfulness and self-reflection. Incorporate mindfulness practices such as meditation or journaling into your daily routine. These practices help you stay present, reduce stress, and gain deeper insights into your thoughts and emotions. Reflect on your progress regularly, celebrating your achievements and identifying areas for further growth. Achieving full potential with 111. Practical steps. Here are some actionable steps you can take today to utilize the energy of number 111 in achieving your full potential. Create a personal development plan. Outline your personal growth goals, the steps needed to achieve them, and the timeline for each milestone. A structured plan keeps you focused and motivated. Join a personal growth community. Engage with like-minded individuals who are also committed to personal development. Sharing experiences and supporting each other can accelerate your growth journey. Embrace challenges and step out of your comfort zone. Don't shy away from challenges. Embracing discomfort leads to significant personal growth and helps you discover strengths you never knew you had. Celebrate your progress. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Recognizing your progress boosts your confidence and motivates you to keep moving forward. Engage with the My Angel Code community. Our My Angel Code community is a supportive space where we explore the secrets of angel numbers together and empower each other on the journey to personal development and self-discovery. Join us, share your experiences with number 111, and inspire others to unlock their full potential. Together, we can create a vibrant community filled with love, support, and continuous growth. Conclusion: unlock your full potential with 111. Angel number 111 is a powerful symbol that reminds you of your innate ability to grow, evolve, and achieve your highest potential. By aligning your thoughts, intentions, and actions with the energy of 111, you can embark on a transformative journey of personal development. Don't wait, start embracing the energy of number 111 today and unlock the path to a more fulfilling and meaningful life. Join us on the YouTube channel, My Angel Code, and let's explore the magical world of angel numbers together. Subscribe, comment, and share your story. Together we can achieve incredible personal growth and fulfillment. Remember, your thoughts and intentions shape your reality. Embrace the energy of number 111 to discover your true potential and create a life filled with growth, passion, and purpose. Your journey to self-discovery begins now. Open yourself to the guidance of 111 and watch your potential unfold.